Hello everyone. So I'm Tanisha and I've completed my MBA from IIM Shillong and I was a fresher when I joined IIM. So many of you have been asking me that as a fresher हम लोग IIM join करने से पहले कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? And the answer is obviously yes. I wished मुझे किसी ने पहले बताया होता. You can do many certifications because this will build on your CV. As a fresher मेरे पास ज़्यादा pointers नहीं थे and in that hectic schedule I was doing certifications to add on the pointers in my CV. So you can start with very basic like Excel, PowerPoint, and you can get many free courses on various websites. There are many like Coursera, Udemy, Corporate Finance Institute, and then there is Simply Learn. Various companies which give their certifications for free, like I've done for BCG, and then there is one for JP Morgan as well. So definitely do some courses which will add some keywords in your CV. Apart from this, initially मैं सोच ही नहीं पा रही थी कि मैंने अपनी ग्रेजुएशन में क्या क्या कर रखा है जिसको मैं एज अ CV पॉइंटर बना सकती हूँ. So some big projects which we have done and you can get the approval of the same. Like one of the basic project which we have done in our graduation was distribution of some chocolates. We made homemade chocolates and we distributed it in the campus, and basically this will help you add some pointers in a way. Like if you want to go in marketing, you can add that we used 4 P's. This will really help build your CV and there will be some key pointers of the marketing thing, so you can get marketing shortlist due to these key pointers. So firstly, do these two things, do these certifications, learn Excel, and think of the pointers which you can collect from your graduation or even your 11th 12th, and just frame the pointers properly and put it in some word file or something. And do let me know if you have more queries. I'll definitely solve them.